NotebookLM Pro now saves your chat history when you exit the program. So let me show you what this looks like. This is my free account. So there's no Pro right here. And then this is the Pro account, and you see it has the Pro right up here. So let me go into a notebook. I'll go into the General Aviation notebook, and the sources are here. There are some artifacts created, but what we're going to focus on here is just the chat. So there's this new note here that says chat history is now saved across sessions, and then I can delete it here if I want. And then apparently it's only on the web app. The mobile app support's coming soon. So if you're not familiar, the way that's used to work is as soon as you closed out NotebookLM, anything you had in the chat window would be deleted. And the only way you could keep it is if you had some kind of back and forth in the chat, you could click Save to Note, and then you'd have a note on the right over here, and then that's the only way you could save your chats. Now it actually saves it. So let me just have a random chat. I don't know what's a VR. I'm just asking something that I know is in the sources. So this shouldn't take that long. I probably could have taken it down to one source, but can't go back. Okay, and the answer here isn't interesting. That's not really the point. So there's a chat here. Right? Now let me go over to the free account and do a similar thing. So let me just open up a notebook, come into the Unix notebook. Again, I have a source, and just ask it to tell me a random fact about Unix. And again, only one source. This shouldn't take very long. Okay, so random fact here. So now I have chats in both of them. And notice that there isn't the little ellipsis here to delete chats, and there's not the little note here because it's the free account. So now I'm just going to close out NotebookLM. So close the free one and close the paid one. And this is just Gemini, just because it's the only other window I have open. So now if I go back in, okay, so this, again, there's no Pro here. So this is the free NotebookLM. And if I go back into the same notebook, there's no chat here. I didn't save it to Node or anything, so now there's no chat here. Now if I switch over to the Pro account, Pro is here, and this is the notebook that I was in. The chat's still here. It didn't do this before. So in this, it's 2:30 in the morning, but this is the chat that I just put in here, and then I close out the program. Now the chat's still here. Now, if I want, I can go here and delete it, and then it'll wipe it out. But the key point here is that if you have a NotebookLM Pro account, it's notebooklm.google.com, and then either you pay for it with one of their paid AI accounts, or if you have Google Workspace account, you usually get NotebookLM Pro. This will now save your chats. Again, the free account will not. So if you don't have little Pro in the upper right, then it will not save your chats. You still have to save your chats to Note, but the Pro, the paid plans will now save your chats. I don't know how long, like how many chats you can have in here, but this is definitely a new feature. And again, the note here says that mobile app support is coming soon, so we'll see what that looks like. But I think it's interesting. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you next time.